Okay, the song I'm going to sing is a happy song, and it's got a whistling part. It's so happy, and so I'm hoping that you're going to help me whistle with this because you're going to be happy. It's about an event that's going to be coming up in a couple months. So here's the part. It goes. Try it with me. You guys are good. Been saving all my nickels, saving all of my dimes, cut the neighbor's grass to raise some cash. It's gonna be a happy time. I'll wear my tie-dye t-shirt, you wear your favorite gown. Today is the day the marijuana truck is gonna roll into town. We're high on anticipation, we're giddy with delight. My friends and my relations are gonna come around tonight. Got lots of goodies, enough papers to go round. Today is the day the marijuana truck is gonna roll into town. When we see that rig climb over the hill, cheering will begin. Sweet smoke blowing from his pipes as he comes rolling in. Driver is a jolly man with a big wide goofy grin. We'll all line up along the route to welcome him. And as he steps down from the cab, his feet won't touch the ground. Today is the day the marijuana truck is gonna roll into town. Great whistling, thank you.